Today we are having the 2026 Spring NPC Cultural Celebration. We're very excited to offer this event for the community. NPC is committed to working and building relationships with our tribal communities. NPC is located in 3 native communities. We've got White River, we've got Hopi, and we've got Kayenta. And this event is really symbolic of the type of relationship that NPC wants to have with those communities, and to show them that we are committed to building a relationship with them and honoring what they have to offer for us. So for the 2026 Cultural Celebration, we were really honored to welcome Chef Freddie Bitsui, a Navajo chef who published a cookbook, but also has had an illustrious career. His latest stint was as the executive chef at the Museum for the Native American at the Smithsonian in Washington, D.C. So he kicked off our event today. And then right after his speaking engagement and food demonstration, we were really proud to kick off our 4 dance groups who cycled in and out. So the crowd was really lucky because there was not a minute of slowdown. It was just one dance group after the other.
In the state of Arizona, we had the Guadalupes from out of down south where the heat is 120 degrees, and we got the land of enchantment and Zuni Pueblo from Albuquerque, a group that joined us, and at the local area we had a few others that joined, so that made it what it is. And I think people really enjoyed it, having some entertainment. And so marketing department, thank you for what you do to showcase what we have, and we're going to make it bigger, let our friends know. So Northland Pioneer College in Holbrook, Arizona, all side as well. Hug on it, and thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Rafael Martinez. I am from Guadalupe, Arizona. I'm from the Paspayaki tribe. We brought our deer dance and our Pascola dancers. The deer dance is very sacred to us. We honor him. He's a big part of our tribe, our dances that we do in our ceremonies. We have 8 pueblos there near the Rio Yaqui, and those are the original towns where we originated from, and we migrated here to Arizona, to Tucson area, and there we have our reservation, but we also have a couple more towns up north in Arizona, Guadalupe being one of them. I want to say thank you to NPC for having us, inviting us here on this nice day here in Holbrook. Thank you for having us a part of the ceremony. We enjoyed it, being out here and sharing our blessings with you guys, and introducing us to your guys' town.
Yat a Sean Price in Shadona a ya a shehentin in the Shlidot Sanabiti Eda Shija. My dash gizni Eda Shanella dot Haba Eda Shit a coinere be'edidas and the Twajale de Nasha. I am the current director for the Denitga Navajo Cultural Program. Our group hails primarily from the eastern and northern region of the Navajo Nation, and the style of songs and dances that we do reflect that region from where we come from. We're grateful to be here at Northland Pioneer College for their cultural events and programs, and we hope our performances have broadened the experience of the students, the faculty, and the visitors who come to make North Pioneer College a success. And we're grateful to be a part of it, and grateful to be here.
My name is Joseph Tise. I come from CBQ. CBQ is located on the west end of the Fort Apache Reservation. And today I'm here with my dance group. Dance group consists of a group of young guys who partake in the Apache crown dance ceremony. we like to travel and showcase our culture, which is the Apache crown dance. The songs that I sing are ceremonial crown dance songs. The song is only meant for this dance that you see out there. There are other songs out within our culture. There are songs that are sung about the life that you see itself, the universe, the plants, animals, just everything you see with life in general. But the songs that I sang here is only meant for the ceremony that you saw. Let everybody know that we are still here. I give you guys a big thanks for giving us the opportunity to showcase our culture. Thank you.
My name is Arlen Putaka Jr. from the Pueblo of Zuni, from Zuni, New Mexico, and we are here at Northland Pioneer College celebrating, culture, language, and good spirits here. This is our first year here. We travel throughout the Southwest. You'll find us frequently at the Indian Pueblo Culture Center in Albuquerque, annually at the Arizona Indian Festival in Scottsdale. Recently, we were at the Grand Canyon. So we travel throughout the Southwest, sharing our culture, our songs, our dances. Today we are performing the butterfly dance. That's something that is kind of like a spring dance, celebrating the coming of life, trees, plants blooming, everything in life coming back after the winter. And the songs that we use are kind of unique to Zuni and Hopi. Hopi is another Pueblo that resides here in Arizona, and the style is pretty unique to our two Pueblos here as the westernmost Pueblos out of 19 here in Arizona and in New Mexico along the Rio Grande. And Acoma, Laguna, Zuni, and Hopi are considered the most westernmost Pueblos of all of those 19.
Hello everybody, my name is Tasia Lee and I am the reigning Miss Native Northland Pioneer College. I'm currently here at the Holbrook campus as we just did our celebration for cultures, and there are so many different cultures that came out from different tribes, and it was such an incredible event and really brought unity within our tribes and along with being able to do it at NPC as a higher education. But with that, I also want to encourage everybody to come out to the second annual Miss Native Northland Pioneer College pageant on June 27th at 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. will be located at the Winslow campus. And so with that, I want to encourage all you young contestants out there that may be 18 years or older and taking 6 credits here at NPC, and you want to be an ambassador and become a leader. This is the way that you can do that. And with that, there's also a scholarship for the winner along with the first attendant. So the Miss Native Northland Pioneer College, she will receive up to $1,000 in scholarship for the first semester along with the second semester. Then the first attendant will receive $500 for the first semester, then the second semester as they finish their reign at NPC. Thank you guys so much.
Also had some community vendors come out and join us and set up their tables. We had a couple of nonprofit organizations who provided resources and resource information to the community. So next year we do plan on offering the Cultural Celebration again. It will be held here at the PDC campus again, the last Friday in April. So if you are planning now, please come join us next year.